Hello, this is the Unit 3 video of Lecture 1 on numbers and symbols under the Numerical Methods and its programming channel. My name is Ganapathy V. Narayanan, or simply GV Narayanan, or you can call me Narayan. In this video, we are going to discuss some important facts on numbers and symbols. All school and college graduate viewers would know most of the information content presented under this video. All viewers would take it for granted, the info on numbers and symbols. However, for completeness of this video course on programming and numerical methods, I present only the most important aspects of numbers and symbols on this video that one must know for sure. Please note that since the civilization began on different parts of the world many thousands of years ago, human beings used various symbols for communicating with each other. Spoken languages and then written languages flourished through the use of vocal sounds and alphabet symbols of many languages. However, numeral symbols followed in its development for many thousands of years before it matured to the one that we use today, Hindu-Arabic digits, all around the world at about after 15th century AD. We will not go into the details of the historic development of numbers and symbols, but we will state some important facts that we can use in this video course. First, we talk about the meaning of symbols and numbers. So first, let's start with symbols. We are going to use two sources to define the meaning of symbol. One is the Merriam-Webster dictionary. Of course, we can look it up on web by typing word symbol. And the second one is Wikipedia, which will follow. Merriam-Webster dictionary defines a symbol as an arbitrary or conventional sign used to writing or printing with reference to a particular field to represent operations, quantities, elements, relations, and or qualities. In math concept terminology and in numerical world, we consider a symbol as a written or displayed notations to represent an image or any character that has meaning to discrete to be performed on numbers or to signify other elements other than what it usually stands for in the real number system. Hence, one can consider a number as a symbol in the system. Similarly, the arithmetic operators plus, minus, star, slash, caret sign are used to denote addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Wikipedia defines symbol as a mark or sign or word that indicates or signifies or is understood to representing an idea, object, or relationship. All communications and data processing is achieved through the use of symbols. Symbols take the form of words, uh, sounds, gestures, and so on. For our course, we classify symbols as two types, type 1 symbol and type 2 symbol. Type 1 symbols are words or images or numerals or alphabets, characters that represent characters, numerals, what it signifies directly, implicitly. For example, character A stands for the alphabet in English language, and the word ONE stands for the numerals number 1, digit 1. Type 2 symbols are images or alphabet characters that represents characters or words or numbers other than what it signifies or stands for. For example, character capital letter A signifies number 11 in the hexas system of digits used in the computational world, and so on. We denote some commonly used symbols on this video. Type 1 symbols are alphabetic characters, uppercase A to Z, lowercase a to Z in English language, Hindu-Arabic numeral digits, and other language symbols such as comma, exclamation, and other symbols, so on. Type 2 symbols are math symbols, including pi with the value of 3.1415, or E, small letter e, with the value of 2.71, and so on. In computer world, we use type 2 symbols as type 2 symbols are math or computer symbols used in to represent constants or variables. We talk about meaning of numbers. We use Wikipedia as a reference to find the meaning of numbers. Of course, any viewer can go to the web and type number under Wikipedia website. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. Numbers are represented by symbols of numerical digits 0 through 9. Symbols of number scripts in any language can be seen under the reference 4. Numbers can be represented in any language with number words. For example, in English, 0 to represent digit 0, and the word 1 to represent digit 1, and so on. One can read on 4,000 Years on Numbers, a talk given by Professor Wilson, and a reference is given here to get a glimpse of the numeral Hindu-Arabic system, how Hindu-Arabic numeral system evolved over many centuries. The numbers, we can classify them under 7 different set groups. The first one is natural numbers or counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The whole number, which are natural numbers plus 0 included. Integer numbers, both positive and negative. Natural numbers with 0 included. Rational numbers are set of any fraction having integer in the numerator and a whole number and a natural number in the denominator. And then irrational numbers, any fraction, non-recurring digits, decimal digits, a real number, all numbers on a real line, including integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Complex number set with a pair of 2 real numbers with 1 real and 1 imaginary in the pair. In this numerical methods course, we will deal with numbers belonging to either the real number set or the complex number set. We can now say in this video course that a real number is a decimal number, finite, recurring, or infinite, as the case may be. We can also say that every point on a real line forms a real number system as a Cantor set. Even among numbers, we usually talk about decimal real number systems with uh, positional digits of Indo-Arabic numeral system 0 through 9. However, there are other bases of systems that are in use. One is binary digit number positional system with only digits 0 and 1. Octal number system positional system with 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hexa digit number positional system with 16 digits includes the 10 digits 0 through 9 plus symbols capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E to represent numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively. Many civilizations have used other bases of system. In 3rd century BC, Mayans used 60 number digit system, and in Middle Ages, duodecimal, meaning 12 digits, 1 through 9, and then we use the decimal capital letter A and B for representing 11 and 12. So with this fundamental information on numbers and symbols, let's go on to study more details on decimal numbers system, numerical approximations on computers using computations, binary number system, octal number system, and hexagonal number system. These are videos, unit videos with file name starting with capital N, capital M, LEC01 hyphen unit with numbers 04, 05, 06, 07, 08 respectively, and hyphen a small word to signify what this video stands for. The 5 references, the 2 references on symbols. One is Merriam-Webster Dictionary and the other one is Wikipedia, and the last one gives references on numbers, and I would suggest that one should visit the websites on numbers in various languages just for curiosity, and also one should read 4,000 Years on Numbers lecture talk given by Professor Wilson, and the PDF file is available for reading. Thank you.